Nissan has just delivered a major surprise to the automotive world with the reveal of the N7, an electric sedan that's packing some serious punch at a surprisingly affordable price. Unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show, the N7 challenges the idea that electric vehicles have to be expensive. Starting at just $16,400, the N7 is poised to disrupt the market, offering a blend of modern electric car features, a spacious cabin, and a surprisingly long range, all at a price tag that's hard to ignore. What's most exciting about the Nissan N7 is how much car you get for the money. The entry-level N7 510 Air, priced at around $16,400, already comes with a solid 510 kilometers of range, thanks to its 58 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. And if that's not enough for you, Nissan also offers higher trims like the N7 510 Pro and N7 510 Max, which come in at slightly higher prices, around $17,800 and $19,200, respectively. Both of these models also offer the same 510 kilometers range, meaning you get the same great value for a bit more tech and features. For those looking for even more range, the N7 doesn't disappoint. The N7 620 Pro and N7 625 Max are equipped with a larger 73 kWh LFP battery, allowing for 625 kilometers of range on a single charge. While the CLTC cycle might be a little optimistic, it's still impressive to see how Nissan is pushing the boundaries with this affordable sedan. These higher-end models are priced at $19,200 and $20,500, respectively, making them a tempting option for long-distance commuters or anyone who wants extra peace of mind on their road trips. Now, let's talk about performance. While the N7 is not designed to be a performance powerhouse, it still offers respectable power. Depending on the trim, it's available with either 215 horsepower or 268 horsepower, which provides enough pep for everyday driving. Of course, the N7's true focus is on being a practical, affordable EV, so you won't see the same high-speed thrills as you might in other electric sedans on the market. However, the N7 still delivers an enjoyable driving experience for those looking for a reliable commuter car. Inside, the Nissan N7 takes a page from the rapidly growing Chinese EV market, with a tech-focused, minimalist cabin. The large 15.6-inch infotainment display and digital instrument cluster provide a futuristic feel, while the absence of physical buttons, save for a few on the steering wheel, gives it a sleek, modern look. For added convenience, there are wireless charging pads and 2 cup holders, so you have plenty of options to stay connected and comfortable while on the go. In terms of size, the N7 is quite comparable to the last-generation Nissan Maxima, which was known for its spacious interior. The N7 is a little longer, wider, and taller than the Maxima, with a 114.8-inch wheelbase that promises more room for passengers, especially in the rear seats. At 193.5 inches long, 74.6 inches wide, and 58.5 inches tall, the N7 is a Maxima-Sized sedan that offers plenty of space without the hefty price tag typically associated with larger sedans. What's most remarkable about the N7 is how Nissan has managed to pack all of these features into a budget-friendly EV. While many electric sedans with similar specs can easily cost double or even triple the price, the N7 is positioned to make electric vehicles more accessible to a wider audience. With its impressive range, spacious interior, and advanced tech, the N7 is set to be a game-changer in the affordable EV market. As the N7 hits the streets of China, it's clear that Nissan is embracing the future of electric vehicles while keeping affordability in mind. With prices starting at just $16,400, this is one electric sedan that's well worth keeping an eye on.